This is it, new key for the new factory. We've got quite a lot to do, quite excited, so let's go in, let's have a look around. So this is it, this is the new reception area. Tidy up, decorate, new sofa, tables, things like that. We'll display all the artwork. Tennis ball here, where there's a blame, there's a claim, so we need to cover that before someone knocks themselves out. Staircase is really cool. Yeah, just keep it nice and simple, clean, fresh and light. If we come through here, right, in this little room here, we need to build a little kitchenette. So dishwasher, sink, all that sort of thing for break and lunch. So yeah, that's all going to be installed in here. Bathrooms, they're going to get modernised. Through here, we no longer need this as a smaller office. We need maximum space on the production line. So this wall here is going to go. New lights, new ceilings, and the flooring. So if we take a look at the other side, and this is the downstairs area. So this is all production. So cutting is upstairs, production, finishing, packing, all down here. So you can see why the wall needs to go, create a lot more space, a lot more light as well. And we'll have stock. Ceiling needs a little bit of love. So whole new ceiling, full lights, LED, nice and efficient, but more importantly, we get perfect light over the work that we're doing. So let's head upstairs and let's see what else we've got to do. So here we are, top floor. We're going to change out the big up and over door. It's seen better days, it's a bit of a sieve. So get it nicely insulated, double glazed. It's perfect for when we cut large items, and then downstairs when we produce the large inflatables, we can get them palletized and get them out. But it's best that the door is working absolutely perfectly. This floor primarily is all about cutting. So running the full length of the building this way is our automated cutter. So we'll be CNC cutting all the covers. And then in this area here will be Katrina's station. So that will be management of the cutting machine and making sure that we're sticking to our build schedules and getting everything prepared. There's a central wall running through the building. That is going to go because again, we need to maximize space for the cutting, just like we did downstairs. So that wall will disappear, and currently we'll come through here into the main office. And here we have the office. Doesn't need to be big, it's all about production. So in here will be sales, management, things like that. Some people call it fantasy land. So in here, it is just primarily about giving people enough space to operate, but the primary role is production. Change out the flicking light, and all the old lights, nice bit of decoration, give ourselves a little bit of comfort and modernisation. Our lovely staircase running back down to reception. That will continue with the new paint. We've got a central wall running through here. This will all become storage, and as you can now tell, we're on YouTube, so we'll have a TV so that we can review our videos before they go live. And then the way to access the next room will be back through the cutting room because that central wall will have disappeared. But in the meantime, we can still use the door. In here again, this probably was the old MD's office or something like that. You'll probably find me behind the cutting machine or sewing, so I don't really need an office. So this will become an addition to the cutting room. So we'll have a nice big table in the center. All the foam gets cut on that. Storage around the side for all the embroidery machines, the heat presses, PVC banner printers, things like that. So yeah, it's just about creating a really nice workflow where we're not rammed. We're leaving a building that was small. It was as we've grown, we've basically just outgrown it. And it really starts to hinder how fast we can produce things. So this will give us the flexibility, freedom, and a really nice, clean working environment. And that's it. You've seen the cutting room, production, reception. You've seen everything we're going to do, but we've got rather a lot to crack on with. So I'm going to let you out. Like and subscribe, follow us on our social media, and keep up with the progress. We'll see you soon.